Welcome back to another lesson on developing your sound knowledge. Today we are going to be talking about two more welded sounds, those closed syllable exceptions. First, let's warm up our brains with some of our learned sounds, adding in some more of those recent sounds of QU, WH, and that all welded sound. So don't forget to say the sounds as the letters are presented. Let's go! All right, very good. Now let's add in two more welded sounds. We have an and am. N and M are nasally sounds. Their sound comes out our nose. So they automatically make our A super whiny and nasally. We don't say we can go to the store. We make it whiny and nasally. Can we go to the store? Or we wouldn't call it a ham. We would make it a whiny A and say ham. I want ham for dinner. When we are marking these two-letter welded sounds for decoding and encoding, we put a box around the two-letter welded sound. Let's look at some words that follow some new and learned patterns. Nice work. Keep growing that brain.